So in this demonstration I will install Exchange Server 2013. I will install it in silent mode, but I show you how we can install it in the with GUI too. Okay, let's get started. My name is Tariel. I am junior system administrator from the Azerbaijan. I make these videos and upload to YouTube exactly for myself. Sorry for my English. My English is very bad. Myself, as many IT admins, I can forget some of the key element when I install or configuring or some software. For this reason I make this video and upload to YouTube, and when I need to install some software I show this video and can remember key features. Okay, let's get started. In this demonstration, first demonstration, I will install Exchange Server 2013. In the future video I plan to make video about configuration, DAG, high availability, cross-forest migration from Exchange 2010 to Exchange 2013 and vice versa. I make video first and now I record my voice for you. Please leave your comment in comment bar, and if you have any question I will try answering. Okay. First of all, we prepare our organization. We prepare schema, prepare AD, prepare domains, and vice versa. You can use prepare setup exe, prepare schema, but I use prepare AD key and organization name, and I accept Exchange Server license terms for update first my schema, and after it update Active Directory. As you can see, schema and Active Directory update is completed. Now I update domain partition of Active Directory. Okay. As you can see, Active Directory domain configuration preparation is done, and we can now check Exchange security group was created, but they are still empty. We install Exchange 2030 Prerequisites. It's Microsoft Office filter pack, SP1 for this filter pack, and UCMA, Unified Communication Message API. Now I install Office filter pack SP1. I cut some of the part of video because I wanna make it shortly. Now we install UCMA. Okay. Finish. Okay, next step is install Windows components. You can find list of these components in the TechNet. I will provide link to TechNet site. Okay, all prerequisites was installed. Restart computer. We restart server. You can install this prerequisite from the Exchange server installation GUI. You can check mark 1 checkbox, and Exchange server will install this prerequisite for you. Let's continue. Okay, first I show how you can install Exchange Server 2013 with GUI. It's very easy, very simple. You can check for download updates for Exchange. It will copy files to temporary folder on your C drive, and then the installation was begin. I accept the terms of license agreement. Next, use recommended settings, and we choose which server role we will install. Readiness check, and now we push cancel button and begin install Exchange in silent mode. It's very simple. Setup exe, we type which mode, install mode, role, client access server, mailbox, tools, and don't forget I accept Exchange server license terms. I hate these words because I'm every time copy it. Okay, installation begin. I will stop recording, and when installation is complete I will return to you. Okay, you can see every step which Exchange server install, preparing setup, stopping services, copying Exchange files. You can see mail transport role was installed, client access role was installed. Okay, everything like good. Okay, we restart server. I stop recording and I will return later. Okay, server was restarted, and we can see Exchange management shell, Exchange mailbox tools appear in the start menu. Let's check Exchange server installation log. It's on C drive, Exchange setup log. At the end of this log you can see notifications that says server setup operation completed successfully, and you can check your Active Directory with ADSI edit. Some customization which when I make some customization when I install Exchange. I pin Exchange management shell, toolbox, and Internet Explorer to taskbar. for a future use. Let's log into Exchange for the first time. Yes, you type HTTPS, your server name, and YTCP is Exchange Control Panel. Internet Explorer says that you must enable scripting. We add this site to trusted site list and refresh site. Voila, now you can see Exchange Admin Center, and I also make Exchange Admin Center administrative center in my Exchange server as a home page in Internet Explorer. In future video I will show you how you can redirect webmail and Exchange control panel to easy links. Okay, we log in. Voila, server is ready to use. In next video I will try configure it, create recipient groups, mailbox databases. Okay, thank you very much. See you later.